2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Get a fast and easy price quote today